Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to a land of breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. We're diving into the enchanting world of Peru. Peru is a country that boasts some of the most diverse and breathtaking landscapes you'll ever encounter. From the towering peaks of the Andes Mountains to the lush greenery of the Amazon rainforest, Peru is a natural wonderland that never ceases to amaze. But this country is not just about its landscapes. Peru is a country in South America that has a long and diverse history, from ancient civilizations like the Incas, to colonial rule by Spain, to independence and modern challenges. The Incas were the most powerful empire in the region, until they were conquered by the Spanish in 1533, who imposed their culture, religion, and exploitation on the native population. Peru became independent in 1821, but faced many problems such as political instability, foreign interventions, economic crises, social inequalities, and ethnic conflicts. Now it is a republic with a democratic system and a multicultural society, with a population of about 33.7 million people and a rich culture that reflects its history and diversity. Capital of Peru is Lima, and it is the largest city in country. Lima's full name is Ciudad de los Reyes, which translates to City of the Kings, in honor of the biblical three wise men. It is located in the midst of a desert, but its water supply comes from underground rivers originating in the Andes Mountains, making it an oasis of green amid the arid surroundings. Despite the oasis-like setting, Lima is one of the driest capitals in the world, with an annual average rainfall of less than 1 inch. Peru's most famous attraction is a fascinating trekking the iconic Inca Trail to Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu is an ancient Inca city located in the Andes Mountains of Peru, about 50 miles northwest of Cusco. It was built in the 15th century, probably as a royal estate, or a sacred site for Inca leaders. It was abandoned around the time of the Spanish conquest in the 16th century, and remained unknown to the outside world until 1911, when it was rediscovered by the American archaeologist Hiram Bingham, who was looking for another lost Inca city called Vilcabamba. Machu Picchu is one of the few major pre-Columbian ruins that are well preserved, and it showcases the Incas' remarkable engineering, architecture, and culture. In 2007, it was voted one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Next to explore is Humantí Lake. It is a stunning alpine lake in the Peruvian Andes, located about 120 kilometers from Cusco. It is part of the Salcantay Trek, a popular alternative to the Inca Trail that leads to Machu Picchu. The lake has a turquoise color that contrasts with the white glaciers and the green valleys. It is considered a sacred place by the local people, who believe that the mountains have spirits. while in Peru, it is impossible not to enjoy the breathtaking landscapes of the Vinicunca Mountains. Vinicunca, also known as Rainbow Mountain, is a mountain in the Andes of Peru that has an altitude of 5,200 meters above sea level. It is located between Cuisine district and Pichimarca district. Rainbow Mountains is famous for its series of stripes of various colors that are due to its mineralogical composition. The colors include pink, white, red, green, brown, and yellow. As well as Humanti Lake, Vinicunca is also considered a sacred place by the local people, who believe that the mountains have spirits. But what truly makes Peru special is its warm and welcoming people. The locals' hospitality and genuine smiles will make you feel right at home, whether you're in a bustling city or a remote village. So, whether you're an adventure enthusiast, a culture aficionado, a nature lover, or simply someone looking to experience the magic of Peru, this incredible country has something for everyone. Don't miss out on exploring this gem of South America. Thank you for joining me on this virtual journey through Peru. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure.